Hello everybody, it is Friday and I'm trying to make Fridays my grocery shopping days. I'm trying to get a little bit more consistent with that, just like going once a week, although I still find myself ending up having to run to the store for a thing or two, like for an event that's coming up. So earlier this week I had to run to Fred Meyer real quick to get stuff for a get together where we were contributing to a pasta bar. I did I was filming a food prep video that day, so you either have already seen that or will see that soon. So I went and grabbed, what I needed for the pasta bar, but then also at Fred Meyer they had marinara sauce on really good sale, so I stocked up on that. And like I've mentioned before, my strategy for getting the cheapest groceries for my family is stocking up on things when they're on sale. And so I happened to see that the marinara sauce was a great deal, so I stocked up on that then. And today we are going to go to Costco. I tend to go to Costco about once a month and do a big stock up on all the things that we get here. And then the other weeks of the month, I just shop sales at Safeway and Fred Meyer, and then, have to pick up various things that we need for a specific recipe or a specific get together or something like that. So I'm trying to get more consistent about making that grocery shopping day Fridays, and that is today. And it is our once a month Costco trip as well. So we're going to head into Costco and do some shopping and bring you along. I've got my number one big helper, Levi, today. Just me and Levi having a mommy Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Mommy Sunday. That sounded weird.
Mommy and Levi Sunday.
Mom and Levi day. It's not Sunday though. That's the thing.
Yeah.
It's
So
Friday.
So Mommy.
But you're my son, and so it's a sun day, right? Yeah.
But it's also a cold day.
It's also a cold day. It's sweater weather.
What?
Sweater weather. These are cute.
I want to get
We have ones that are similar to this, but they don't have the handle. I think it's the same brand too that the kids have.
Yeah,
But those
can
are
we get
super
those?
cute.
Okay,
Oh, these are
Mom,
cute
I
too.
want that blue one.
Munchkin.
Mom, I need to have
Set.
one more because I.
Those are cute.
No, I should
Huh?
get one. I should have one more because I lost my other orange. My other.
No, we still have it. We haven't lost it. We got to use what we have. It's my pep talk to myself. Fruity cookie bites, protein and fiber.
It was good.
Yeah. Palm oil, sugar, soluble corn fiber.
One.
No, I'm not getting that. I just was curious what made it protein and fiber cookies, but they're mostly sugar. They're just mostly sugar cookies.
Yeah,
Oh well. I've been seeing this. Not interested in it, but it's the new what's the bubbly water machine?
Mom, they should make.
I forget the name of it.
Mom,
But Ninja decided to come up with one. Levi needed some shoes, and they happen to have kids. They almost never have kids' shoes at Costco, but they're just perfect for him. And they're the hands-free where you can just step in. They're gonna be great.
so I gotta step into it.
Yeah, it's not, and you don't have to tie it either. It has elastic. It's just perfect for you.
But maybe the little parts on the little parts at the back
Those
will
are cool.
fold in.
No, they don't. They make them so that they don't fold in. That's the whole point.
So I
And
can
so you can just step into it.
I can just slide in.
It'll be perfect.
No.
All right, we already went down that aisle. Those are cool. For a charcuterie board.
I
couple
quite
of
like
these.
apples.
You don't? Well, Renee and Charity are obsessed with apples right now.
Yeah.
So you're obsessed with bananas, so we'll get those. There's a few green ones here. That's good. Gotta get some carrots.
Carrots.
Do you still like mushrooms?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Well, the guy, I don't like complain, but the guy that was running has Crocs on, blue Crocs on.
Crocs are the cool footwear of the day.
They also make Halloween squishmallows.
Oh my goodness. Turkey breast. These are really, really good. So I am going to stock up on these again.
I can do that.
Gotta grab some pickles.
We only have pickles.
Yeah, I want one more.
Okay.
Never have too many pickles.
Yeah. Oh my.
These look interesting. Smoke roasted salmon bites, fully cooked and ready to eat. Wow. £1 for $14.69. Oh, salmon and salt. Color added through feed. Interesting. Salami's on sale. I might as well get some. I think that's enough.
Well, here's Spider-Man's jacket. Like I do.
Yeah.
I think one of my favorite shoes that I've ever had. One of my favorite shoes that I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
That's really cool.
I think so.
Are they running shoes?
Yeah, they're everything shoes.
Okay. But they're also running?
Also running, yes.
And
because running is part of everything. Charity's been obsessed with smoothies. So she requested frozen fruit. She likes mango. Do they have organic mango? Oh, yeah, that's organic mango. All right, let me see it. Mango and strawberry should be good. Gotta grab my favorite coffee.
That's the
This stuff is so good.
I don't think it's good.
Well, that's because you're wrong.
Let's go
Olives. They have these little olives to go. Those are cute. 52 cents per ounce versus 27 cents per ounce. Nice job. Thank you. Also making a quick stop into Safeway to pick up a couple sales and just a couple things that we needed that we couldn't get at Costco or didn't want a Costco size of, like lettuce, stuff like that. These are a really good deal, limit 4, so I'm gonna get a few of those. This cod is on sale for $5 a pound because it's Friday. It's still frozen. What is that blue thing on it? I don't know, that's weird. I think maybe I'll pass. Grab those. I wanted some Lily's chips for a recipe. They are so expensive. Oh my gosh.
So cute.
We got something else that technically should be added to the grocery budget.
Yeah.
We got some more chicks. We needed to get a few more going before the weather gets too cold. We just add 10 to 15 every year.
Yeah.
Because, you lose some every year. That's just the way it goes with free range chickens. And so we decided to stop by Wilco since we were right over here, and we got 14. There's 7 in this box and 7 in another box in the back. Levi wanted to carry one. And you can hear them. They're so cute. They're so cute. We got all Novagen brown because that's one variety. We've gotten lots of different varieties, but that's one that we've gotten before that are really docile, really nice, and they make nice big eggs. They lay a lot. And so we decided to go ahead and get 14 of those. And when you get chicks, you always assume, you'll probably lose 1 or 2.
Yeah.
So we're hoping to have 12 to add to the flock.
Yeah.
So there you go. We'll show them to you when we get home.
Yeah. Well, if they lay big eggs, good thing they lay big eggs, because maybe some will be a double yolk.
Oh, yeah.
Double yolks.
Yolks are really good.
Yeah.
Oh, little buddies.
Can I hold on them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you hold it? Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Look at them. They're so cute.
We are home, so I'm going to give you a quick view of our haul. We'll do the non-food items first, not counting Levi's shoes, of course, which are already on his feet. So we have parchment paper and paper towels, toilet paper, wastebasket liners, some baking soda, and some Ziploc sandwich bags. And here's all of the food. We got organic carrots, a couple bags of organic apples, some organic tomato sauce, 4 bunches of bananas. Bananas have been all the rage lately, so got a lot. Organic rainforest blend coffee. Stuff is so good. Some cheese sticks, some oven browned turkey breast, some pickles. Grillo's pickles are so delicious. Organic strawberry spread. I haven't bought these before, but I thought I would try them. They are sprouted gluten-free oats, which will be interesting. I got some organic Normandy vegetables, just easy stuff to like throw in the air fryer. I got these chicken sausages, Parmesan and cracked pepper. They're really good. And I still have some, like a couple of these packs, but they were so good I wanted to stock up again. I got 1 thing of organic Greek yogurt. It is non-fat. I usually mix it with like a protein powder or an MCT oil powder or something like that. It's really good. And then I got a pack of black olives, organic mango chunks, and organic strawberries for the kids' smoothies. I got a big thing of 2% cottage cheese, the salami that was on sale, got some mushrooms, and then 2 bags of organic tortilla chips. We like to have these on hand for like get-togethers and stuff. Here's my little haul from Safeway. We got some organic romaine hearts. I've bought romaine hearts lettuce from Costco before, and it's like, 6 or 8 giant heads of lettuce. And I'm like, realistically, we can't get through it before it goes bad. So just got the smaller pack. I got a bunch of celery, 2 butternut squashes, some bell peppers. These were on sale, so stocked up on those. And then the cheese was on really good sale, like $1.29 per pack. So I grabbed 4 of those. 1 of them has already been opened up. And then this, of course, was the most expensive thing for the recipe. So that was $18 of the whole thing. So I have one more grocery stop today. It's just to pick up milk like I do every Friday. We get our milk fresh from a farm, picked up weekly. And so I got to run and do that. I don't pay for that weekly. I pay for it monthly. So it's already paid for. But I wanted to go over the amount I spent at each place today. So at Costco, I spent $218.76 on food and $105.74 on non-food. And then at Safeway, in the little bit that I got there, I spent $38.65, and 18 of that was those Lily's chocolate chips that are so stinking expensive. So like $20 on the produce and then $18 on the chocolate chips. So that plus the $30 worth of milk that I'm going to be picking up. So still under $300 for the weekly haul. Of course, this weekly haul is a lot bigger because it was the Costco weekly haul. But honestly, I got out of Costco for less than $400, which is pretty good these days. Things are so expensive that that feels like a win. And I did feel like I got quite a bit of stuff. So feeling good about that. So bigger, this is probably going to be the biggest weekly haul of the month. The next few will probably be a little bit smaller, somewhere around $100-ish, where I mostly just pick up fruits and vegetables to get through the week, and then stock up on anything that happens to be on sale that we need. So anyways, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this weekly grocery shopping stock up. Thanks for hanging out with us and going shopping with us, and we will see you again in the next video.